Welcome back everyone. So in this lecture we are going to learn about Vlookup function. Vlookup function is really powerful function as it connects two different sheets. I'll give you an example in a way that Vlookup function is used, such as if we have a sales data for month of July and then we have sales data for the month of August with the people in there. So and we want to check which of the people have bought the sales again. So what most people do, although they use Excel, but they do not know about VLOOKUP function, they print both of these sales sheet of both of the times, both July and August, and then they compare data by their hands, and then again combine them and then retype it in the Excel, which is a very long time taking work. At the same time, but you can use a VLOOKUP function which can interconnect different sheets and directly do that. So it is a really powerful function, and I'm going to use this in this lecture and showcase you the power of it. But you can use it in variety of ways to connect various sheets. But remember, whenever we are connecting two different two different sheets, it should be connected on the basis of your unique identifier, such as if Alicia has bought in the month of July and then in the month of August there are two Alicia, then VLOOKUP function might do some error within those things. So you can either go with email address or something which is a unique identifier. Okay, so yeah, so VLOOKUP function, it's really powerful. It helps you combine data from two different sheets, compare and analyze those data, such as you can analyze sales on two different months on the basis of whether your customer, and you can check out your customer retention, whether the customer has come back or not. You can do a lot more things, and one of which we are going to do now. So as you can see, these are the first name of our employees. Okay, this is our first sheet. Okay, and this is our second sheet which tells these first name of the employees with which in which division are they, so the division in which every employee is working. So the second sheet basically works with that. So what I want to do is I want to get the division into the first sheet without typing them down obviously. So what we need to do is we are going to use VLOOKUP function. So for that, first select this thing, right click, then we are going to click on insert one column to the left, and we are going to name this column as division. Okay, simple till now. Then we are going to write down our function. So start with equal to symbol. Let's zoom in a bit so you can understand it a bit more. Okay, equal to symbol. After giving an equal to symbol, we are going to type down VLOOKUP, and as you can see the VLOOKUP function will appear, and it will tell you first it need a search key, then range from where we want, so we can select the other sheet for the range, and then index. So we're going to do the search key. The common parameter would be a will be our b2, right, this Alicia. Then we are going to put a comma, and we are going to do what is, let's just zoom out. We're going to get into our sheet 2 for the range, and we are going to select, just wait a second, we're going to select our overall range from here. Okay, and then we are going to get back to our sheet back, and then put comma, and then we have to give the index. The index was the common thing here, so is our 2. The index is 2 right here. Okay, and then we are going to press enter. So let's just press enter, and as you can see the data has come by its own, and now I'm going to drag this function across all the data, and you can see the division of each and every individual. So simple, just few clicks, writing down a function, and you have combined two different sheets within one. But at the same time, if you would not have used, just imagine if you would not have used this VLOOKUP function, how hard it would be to get the division of the people. What you would do, you would open these two tabs right in front of each other, and then you're going to copy paste or either write type down by seeing another say, which might even lead to errors and a lot more things. So you need to remember about VLOOKUP function. It's so important. Okay, to remember it. So in the next lecture, we are going to learn to utilize whatever we have learned in analyzing our data. This basically is the end of analyzing our data, and we are going to get into our next section. But before that, we are going to learn all of these features in Excel. So I hope to see you there.